some time ago I got a new phone and it was an iPhone. So I got this new iPhone and I had to get used on how it works and everything because I always had a Samsung. And I had a conversation with my dad one time and we were talking about the getting used to. He said that he wouldn't like that. That would be hell for him. He hates getting used to new things and everything. And I just thought to myself like, no, I actually kind of liked the fact that I have to get used to a new iPhone. So that got me thinking, why? Why do I like something new and different? It should just be new problems, right? Just new difficulties. But it's actually kind of good. It feels good. It's exciting. So why is it? I came to a conclusion that's really interesting, and it's not just about the phone, it's about your everyday life, so you might want to hear this. Well, in self-improvement we talk a lot about routines, like morning routines, workout routines, your daily life routine, everything. But what routines do to you is that they put you on autopilot. You don't have to think about what you are doing because you already know everything. It's optimized. Your life is already predetermined. You know what you will do in this time and you do it. You don't have to think about it. You just execute on autopilot. And this is not necessarily a bad thing. It's amazing for productivity. You can do so much things so much faster, so much more productive if you have it on autopilot. But there is a dark side to it. So let's go back to the phone for a second. When I was on my old phone, on my Samsung, I already knew where everything is, I already knew how everything works, and I didn't have to think about it. I just had to scroll, just tap, 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 tap. I know everything. But when I get this new iPhone, I actually had to think. What will I press? I actually have to use my mind. And when you have to use your mind, when you have to think, that puts you in the present moment. Presence is everything. Presence is what makes you happy. Presence is what you practice with meditation. Presence, being present in the moment, being mindful is extremely important. And when you're on autopilot, when you're just living out the routine, then you're not present. You're not mindful. When you have to do something new, that's different, that has to make you think, what will you do? Then that's what makes you present. So iPhone gives me mindfulness because I have to think, what will I press? Because I don't know everything on autopilot. Now I'm not saying completely throw out all the routines. Routines are amazing. Productivity is also really important. But you need to have some balance. Not all of your life has to be on autopilot. Have a bit of spontaneously, I don't know how to say that word, but it's this word right here. Have a bit of this. That's all I had to say for this video. If you liked it, you can check out more of my videos. Maybe you can subscribe if you are liking them, or me, or my advice. So that's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.